Myself Dr. Taposh Shumar Pal, and today again I am going to teach you one more strengthening technique using the TheraBand. I think you people already learned the TheraBand uses for the lower limbs, TheraBand uses for the neck muscles, and TheraBand uses for the scapular group of muscles. And today we are going to learn one more important component, that is for the core muscle strengthening. And among the core, today's video you are going to learn regarding the abdominal muscles. Now, how to strengthen the abdominal muscles first. In the abdominal muscles, we are mainly having rectus abdominis, and on both the sides we are having internal and the external obliques. So in this video you are going to learn how to strengthen the internal external obliques and at the same time how to strengthen the rectus abdominis. Remember, this abdominal muscles is a crucial muscle to strengthen because weakness of the core and weakness of the abdominal muscles may lead to back pain. So this type of exercises acts as a preventive measure to prevent any type of back pain. But you need to remember, you cannot do this type of exercises whenever someone is having a severe level of back pain. That times these exercises, it acts at the end of the treatment phase. That means before the normal ideal lives they can do the exercises. Now, how to do or how to strengthen these exercises? Let us see. In the first position, make the patient to lie down in a supine position. In this position, you just make the patient to hold the TheraBand exactly in this way. Let's see how she is holding the TheraBand. What you will do, you will just stable the knee and lift up the knee to 30 degrees. And in this position, you will ask the person or the patient to bend the knee towards the abdomen. Now, the time the knee will come towards the abdomen, and the same time the hand supposed to be in a stable position. In the stable hand position, you ask the patient to extend the knee. That's how you need to do. We will see again. You will stable over the feet and you will ask the patient to touch the knee towards the abdomen. Again, it will come like this, one, and the patient need to go with the extension of the knee. The thing you need to remember that the hand, it's supposed to be stable, it's supposed not to move. So this exercise mainly strengthen the rectus abdominis. Let us see once more how to do. One, and it will go. Two, much more good. Three, four, and once more, five. This is mainly for the rectus abdominis muscle. So now we will learn for the external and internal obliques. For this, what we have to do, the patient will lift up his leg, it will go for the 30 to 40 degrees of elevation, and in this position the leg, it will be turned either the right or the left. So suppose we will just make it in the right side, the hand, it will be stable, and in this position the knee will be bent, and the knee bending position, it will come towards the abdomen. Like one, again it will go, and you need to stable below the ankle. Two, again it will go. Three, four, and five. The same way you need to go towards the opposite side, and again they need to bend the knee and it will go towards the abdomen. One, two, three, four, and five. So this is for the internal and external oblique muscles. Now we will be learning the back extensor muscles. Back extensor muscles, again it comes under the core group of muscles, mainly the iliocostalis lumborum, mainly the paraspinal muscles which is present over the both the sides of the spine, which makes to make your spine erect position, that means the back extensors. We will learn now how to strengthen the back extensors. For this, you just make the patient to be in a prone position In the prone position, make both the hand to be on the sides of the patient. Now just hold the TheraBand and tie it over the ankle, just back of the ankle. Just hold on the back of the ankle and you instruct, and the thing you need to remember, your opposite hand, it needed to be stable over the back. In this position, you instruct the patient or the person to lift up his leg. But you need to remember that most of the times they used to bend the neck, bend the knee. So you have to make sure the knee supposed not to be bent. So you ask the person without bending the knee to make the back extension. Let us see how we will do. Straight. This is exactly the position 1, 2, 3. You are holding the TheraBand from this side and you are giving the resistance. 4 and 5. And the same thing you repeat it for the opposite leg. You just hold the TheraBand from this side down, stable the spine and ask the patient to go for a extension. Now start. 1, down, again 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hope you people understood how to strengthen the back extensor muscles, how to strengthen the abdominal muscles, and this type of exercises is very crucial the time you will be rehabilitating any patients of low back pain. But you need to remember you need to be very much cautious before strengthening this muscle, because if any type of excessive level of disc herniation you supposed not to do in the initial stage, it will be in the end of the rehabilitative phase. Thank you.